Hello everybody, it's Sophie and I am finally back with another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make some beautiful friendship bracelets using this kit right here. Inside the kit you have some instructions, a braiding wheel and some string to make the bracelets. In the instructions there are many different types of bracelets you can make, using the braiding wheel or making them simply by hand. But today I will be showing you how to make the stackable braid. You are going to start by getting 4 different colored strings. When you have chosen the colors, you have to cut 4 different strings approximately 1 yard long. If you want to make a thicker bracelet, you can use 2 strings instead of 1. Now you put all the strings together to make one. And you make a loop with them. Next you have to get the braiding wheel. And you have to put the loop through the hole. So with the north pointing at the top, this is how you have to put the strings in. So what you have to do next is really simple. You have to get the top right string and put it down in the bottom right. And you get the bottom left string and put it up in the top. And you have to rotate to the right, always rotate to the right. And do the same thing. Top right, bottom right, bottom left. Also make sure the loop doesn't come out and the strings at the bottom don't get tangled. By doing this, you should be alright. So you've done that for a while, this is what you should get. To finish it, you have to get this part of the string and turn them like this in half. Put it through the loop and just make a simple knot.